We thought we'd come over to the mobile home property today, and I just got done mowing. It's looking really nice out here. Let's go inside the house, see how it's looking inside there. Well, everything's looking pretty normal in here. We have a lot of cleanup to do. It's a little bit warm. The house has been closed up all day, so we're gonna open up a couple windows probably, clean up some mess. Ugh, look at the mess. Let me just see, I want to see something over here. We block some of that light so you guys can see that we cleaned up our mess. We have a little bit of leftover flooring from our bathroom wall, which is looking really good still, no problems. Happy with how that came out. We're going to use some up here another day. I still got to screw these in and shim out the top of the shower. I'll show you that when I do it. And we also vacuumed, cleaned up a lot of little stuff around the house, so I'm feeling good about this. We mostly wanted to come here today just to get the vacuum so we could bring it home and use it. So I'll probably bring that home. We'll be bringing it back. We're always going to have more messes. Before we go home, I'm going to start cutting up this wood in here so we can continue on the property cleanup. So I brought my chainsaw with me, and I'll just chop what I can. I'm not going to burn anything today. We're just going to chop and try to start getting this stuff broken down so it's manageable so we can burn it later. Yep. I honestly made better work of that than I expected. Went through one battery and that pile is more or less torn apart.
That was a lot for one battery.
Yeah, it was awesome. That's ready to start stacking on the fire pit, so I'm going to call that good for today. The rest of it is down underneath, so until we start clearing out, I can't really get to it anyway. Look good, the work continues, there's always something to do. And it keeps us busy, so stay tuned for the rest. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.